Oh, heck nah.
Oh, don't be a wuss. Pick it up. Come on. Just grab it by both of its wings. There you go.
That was in my hair yesterday.
It'll be fine. Oh, there's one. You want to grab it?
Oh, there's like 5.
Oh, yeah. Grab them all.
Too short for this.
Even easier for you. Perfect. Gotcha. Gotcha too. Oh, man. He evaded me. Oh, no, he didn't. What? Jeez, Manila, look at all these. Yeah, in this rain, they just seem like they have trouble flying, so just walk around, pick them up.
He's breakdancing! Daddy! He's breakdancing! Get him off!
Just throw a pole on there. Freaking hold it up for you.
Right, you're still alive.
Oh yeah, they're still kicking. Kicking and noisy here.
Oh, they're so annoying. Is that one dead?
No.
That's about to be.
Oh man, that's gonna make a bunch of noise and movement. Oh, that's catching something. Look at that sucker. He's going wild. It's like its own chatterbait.
Kind of sad.
We're fixing to find out here.
Whoa. Well, watch out.
Y'all can't just be laying out there, mating in the water, feeding the fish, okay? Not fair. It is small, but hey.
How do you cast
That was quick.
Yeah.
How do you cast thing? Oh, it's so cute.
It's a cat.
It just wanted something to eat.
I've never seen a catfish that small.
It's so cute. Are we gonna release it? Or-
Yeah, that's too small.
Okay. Wait, I wanna release it. Hang on. I need help.
Just grab it.
It's top.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, I
anything.
forgot
You
it
can grab it
doesn't-
around like I am.
Does it have teeth?
Little bitty ones.
Oh, I'm sorry, baby. Whee! How do you cast this?
Turn it like this.
Okay.
Grab the string. Flip this up.
Daddy,
Ooh.
I like how you said this ain't gonna be.
Okay, grab that string.
Yeah.
And whenever you flip it, let it go. Let the string go.
Whoa.
All right, now flip the wire back.
Okay.
Now you're ready whenever you get something. So just leave it out there until you get something, and then you reel it back. Oh yeah.
Catfish! Yes, sir!
Weston, you might want to get your one.
Oh. And so this is crazy. This is a parasite that had been inside of this cricket and when we put it on the hook, it started to come out. That is wild.
There's 3 of them. Dude, why is this thing moving? There's one on the floor.
Yeah, it's a parasite, and whenever the organism dies, it comes out. All right, throw it out there.
There's one on the floor all over the place. That's disgusting. They look like little wormies. Almost. Oh.
Grab another kick-a-ditty.
I'm trying to put this on him.
All right, here, you watch me.
I did it.
You did it? Good. Good job.
No, it got out! No, Mr. Nice Guy.
Peyton, don't stop, bro.
Awesome. That's 2 for you. We're not gonna eat it, but you know what? That would be some great bait.
Put it on dead.
Throw it on a hook on one of these bigger poles and see if we can catch something on it.
There you go.
Layla, bringing in another one. What you got?
No, it just
You got, oh no. Back on it. Pull back. Yep.
There was.
Hey, yeah, when you get a fish, you gotta hold back up on it like that, okay? That's why you keep losing them. It looks like it gets pretty deep along this bend here. So I'm gonna try to slip it into this, get it down deep and see what happens here. Well, that ain't gonna work. We'll go further out than that. Got something on there. Got something on there. Got something on there, guys. Woo! I told you, right here by this freaking little deep part. Yeah. Like I had just put it in there. I had only been there for a few seconds. Nice little catfish. Yep, that's a, here, hold this. No, this is a soft shell turtle. See?
Is it okay? Can we keep it?
No, you don't want to keep it. It's a wildlife.
Okay.
But yeah, it's okay.
I thought it was scary. Oh, so, I think it was stuck.
They burrow down like this and just kind of hang out. They're pretty harmless though. Just don't get your hand too close to the mouth, okay?
I know. Because it will bite it.
It might.
It is really soft shell, bro.
Yep. It's a bendable, flexible shell.
It's so cute. Oh my god.
Here you go home.
He's like, baby.
There he goes.
Woo! Oh my god, he's going really quick.
he's gonna go find another spot. We messed his spot up.
I know, but it was cute.
Yeah, it was
I
cute.
thought it was like a flexible trash bag thing. Because like I felt it with my foot and I tried to like yeet it away to see what if it was like crunchy or like anything. And then like I kept doing it, and then it like moved a little bit, and like.
Did you feel its shell is kind of rubbery?
Yeah, it was like.
Bendable, flexible?
Yeah, it was like really flexible though.
Yeah, it's kind of cool.
Oh, now Peyton comes up here. That would have been bad. I wouldn't have that much. Yeah. I almost stepped in that little guy.
Yeah.
He would have been like, that's pretty deep. I'm trying to turtle. It was so cute, though.
Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Almost went in the freaking river.
Oh, dang, you have it all set up.
I know. I don't even have to go to the bait box. They're just sitting here. Just lose one, grab another one.
So wet. There's something. Let's go on.
They were on the train.
Get up. Get up.
Exactly, that's what happened.
They were doing things.
Bass.
Yay.
Hold this.
Yes, ma'am. Are we gonna release it? I want to release it if we have to release it.
Oh, be careful. Yep. Okay.
Is that the exact same fish?
No, it's a little bit smaller. I think. There's no way that thing just swam across the dock and onto my pole after it got off.
Yeah,
He's really little.
it actually did.
Another one. Oh, it took itself off.
No!
I'm just gonna put on a daisy.
Another little bass.
A little.
Tiny.
I didn't even have my
Took my daisy! It took it!